How to get wide angle on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get wide angle on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll actually need to do is make sure that your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. You can do that from your App Store. Just search for Snapchat and search if there is an update available. After that, you can open up your Snapchat, and after you open up your Snapchat, you will see the filters. Now from the filter section, tap on the search bar, and after you tap on the search icon, you'll need to search for wide angle. You can search for wide angle, or if you just search for wide angle, you'll get different options. But if you want more options, you can simply type on 0.5 as well. So from here you can see many options. You can use the first one, you can use any one that you'd like. Let's search for 0.1. I mean 0.5. And after you search for 0.5, you'll get similar filters. So using any one of those filters will allow you to take wide angle pictures on Snapchat. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.